So, today we are looking at FLOPPA videos. So, let's get to it. Bro, I love FLOPPAs, man. They're so cute. Bro, baby ones are just adorable. They look like baby bobcats. Oh, I commented on this one. Drip FLOPPA. Honestly, yeah, this one is drippy, not gonna lie. I found you, FLOPPA. Oh, I've seen this. Oh, FLOPPA! Oh, that's the thing. FLOPPA! FLOPPA! Top 10 FLOPPAs. No, we're gonna watch this one next. Oh, I love this one. It's so cute. It's like me with a balloon. I love balloons. Like, I just like to play with them when I'm bored. I don't know why. I like to. FLOPPA vibin'. Number 5. FLOPPA gaming. No way. FLOPPA confirmed. No, FLOPPA. FLOPPA. Actually, FLOPPAs, people get the mistake of when FLOPPAs hiss, they think like they say go away or something. But it's actually just the FLOPPA's way of communicating, like a cat purring or meowing. That's why if you see someone petting a FLOPPA on a video and they hiss, they'll just keep petting the FLOPPA. I love this one. Look at it. Look at his ears. Look how cute this is, I hear. Look at this. I would honestly get a FLOPPA pet, not gonna lie. Roblox? FLOPPA? No. No, Roblox. POV, Roblox bans Raise FLOPPA. I don't know what this animation is, but it looks high quality and it's FLOPPA. So I'm gonna have to get a 11 out of 10. FLOPPA getting annoyed. I love this one. I love FLOPPA. I love this type of FLOPPA. Your FLOPPA lives a great life. Suey. W. And then Poppy in jail. I love DJ Floppa. No, I lost my Floppa? No. Oh, let's go. PV, Floppa gets the chalky milk. Nice. Honestly, W Floppa.
We got a number one.
Oh my gosh, it's a $19 Fortnite gift card. Oh, I want it.
Just wiped out Tomato Town. My friend.
Sus ending? Your Floppa got caught venting and is out. Bro, where is this? Is this a video? Bro, did someone's Floppa get in their vent? There's no way. All right. You'd be a cute Floppa. Big Floppa, little clump. I can't speak. Where's the most replayed part? It's right here. Oh, I remember this clip. Yeah. What's the second? Like, this is really spiky. Aw, Floppa. Floppa take over your bed. Honestly, you gotta respect the drip, man. Gotta respect the Floppa. I'm gonna give this a strong like, maybe like a couple likes. Yeah. W Floppa. No way. Oh. One second. Never mind. You gotta honestly respect the drip of Floppas, my guy. I have found you, Floppa. Floppa's hungry. Cargo. I love Floppa TV. This is not Floppa TV. Like Floppa TV has these kind of titles, and they're really cool. Floppa TV. What is this, bro? Wait. What? I'm a big bot. Floppa? Yeah, like this one. Where's that intro? What's that classic intro? What's that classic Floppa TV intro? Let's go. Bro, wait, is this the correct one? Oh yeah, it's the correct one. I mean, I think it's an outro. Yeah, it's an outro. Not an intro. Oh yeah, Saga. Saga versus Floppa.
Хватит.
I thought they were brothers, my guy.
Опять начинаем. Муха.
Floppa versus Saga confirmed.
Иди. Отойди от Адольфа. Отойди от него. Отойди, тебе говорят. Иди гуляй. Вот. Адольф-то поумнее будет. Да, Зайка? Ну ты мышка моя. Ну хватит. Тебя не гладит.
Like, Floppas are so cute. FLOPPA shorts. Where's FLOPPA shorts? No, I don't want actual shorts. FLOPPA TV shorts. So cute. 1 second. Was I muted this whole time? Oh well. But that's all the FLOPPA stuff for today. Thanks so much guys for watching. See ya.